Hey friends, I will keep this super short. So 9 out of 10 people say they want to build a home business so they got more options in life. They can just be more free. So there's two main things is all it really takes to do it. How would I know? I've been doing it for 12 years. So the two things is you just see who's open. It's number one. And number two, you share the information with people that are open. And here's what that looks like. So step number one, seeing who's open. For me, Facebook is my main thing. Private message. I'll private message people. And I'll say something like, hey, I started a business, I want to build it online, would you like to take a look at it? If not, no big deal. Super friendly, nobody ever has a problem with that. It's pretty cool. And step two would be if they say they're interested, and a lot of people do because it's a pretty cool way to see who's open. I just send them the information, usually a video, or lately I've actually been doing a blog that I wrote, so some literature that takes 5 to 10 minutes to read. And that's pretty much it. And when someone reads it and they're like, yeah, I want to do this, sounds good to me, then I get them enrolled and I connect them to the training that's already there, that's already established. So when I enroll people, I don't have to be a trainer and train people up. I get them connected to the training and to the community, and then I just repeat step 1 and 2, see who's open, and share the information with people that are open. And with that kind of an invitation, hey, I started a business, I want to build it online. Would you like to take a look at it? If it doesn't interfere with anything else you currently got going on. If not, no big deal. Pretty cool, right? That's as easy and as friendly as it gets and as safe as it gets to do it. So how effective is that? In case you're wondering, well, Tom, that's pretty simple, stupid. Well, I've been doing variations of that for 12 years. It took me just 2.5 years to where I no longer needed a job, and I did it in probably 5-minute increments at a time for maybe 20 minutes a day. And that was enough to get it rolling because it's residual income. It's not ordinary earned income like you get at your job, so it's completely different and better. So 2.5 years of doing that simple, stupid thing, and I no longer needed a job. And a couple more years after that, I bought a house in cash. Imagine, buying a house, and when you come to the closing date, you just write a big check for the full amount of the house, never having a mortgage and no more rent and not having to deal with that ever again. That's pretty neat. So no job, no mortgage, no rent, and I travel. I love traveling. I love culture. I love being around different people and different ways of life, I guess, and having fun and having my freedom of time, because that's what it boils down to, is freedom of time. It's not even about the money, but you need the money, and you need the quality of residual money, not job money, and not even self-employed money for that matter, but you need the quality of residual and passive money to have the freedom of time, because that's the ultimate goal, is to have more options in life. Have freedom of time, being able to put your energy and your heart and your soul where you want to be. And to be able to do that, you have to have residual and passive money. And that's how you build it, in a home business model that has residual and passive money, with those two simple steps. See who's open and share it with people that are open. Then the ones that want to do it, just get them connected up into the training, which frees up all your time and makes it easy to just go get more people. So having said that, I started a business back in 2007. It's a wonderful business of natural health and fitness. I started a business. I want to build it more online. Would you like to take a look at it to see if it's something that you'd like to do with us, if it doesn't interfere with anything you've already got going on? If not, no big deal. So I'll hear from some of you soon on that. And for those of you that say, yeah, I'm open to taking a look, I'm going to send you, you can have a video to watch if you want, or I can send you an article that I wrote that takes about 5 or 10 minutes worth of reading. And for those of you that go over the information and you want to do it with me, cool. I'll get you connected to the training, and I'll be there with you every step of the way while I'm also going out and seeing who else is open. That's it. See, practicing what I'm preaching. Well, I kept this under 5 minutes. That's pretty cool. I'll talk to you, some of you soon, maybe a lot of you, who knows, hopefully a lot of you. I like to be busy. And I've got my website, tombirkenmeyer.com. Definitely not a requirement for anybody to have. I didn't get that until several years into my business, way after I had already not needed a job, and I think around the same time that I got my house. But anyway, it's fun having your own website, but it's not necessary. So don't get bent out of shape about, oh my God, you got to have a website. No, tombirkenmeyer.com. That's my baby. I just put my creative writings up there: music, blogs, healthy recipes, food, and whatever else my interests are, which are many. So I'll hear from you soon, okay? Let's see who's open. Bye for now. And share this if you'd like.